Hey everyone, are you one of the millions of Americans who depend on benefits from the VA, Social Security, or SSI? If so, you should know that the Social Security Administration recently announced that $5,500 will be sent directly into bank accounts across the country. This might be a game changer. We're going to go into great detail in this video about who qualifies, how to make sure you are paid, and what you should know to take full advantage of this vital financial help for your financial security. Keep checking in, because a few simple steps could bring you financial peace of mind. Let's get into the specifics now to make sure you're ready to handle this important opportunity financially. The SSA has set precise requirements that must be met in order for an individual to be eligible for the $5,500 direct payment. Those who are currently receiving Social Security retirement or survivor benefits, as well as those on SSI, are probable candidates because little resources and little income. However, it's important to note that income thresholds and other specified criteria will determine the exact eligibility. Additionally, people approved for SSDI benefits due to qualifying disabilities, as well as certain VA beneficiaries, such as those receiving disability compensation or pension benefits, may also qualify. Amount that each person may get. For some, this might mean partial eligibility or a lower payment. To guarantee quick and secure delivery, the SSA has carefully structured the distribution procedure for these direct payments. The $5,500 will be awarded to applicants who have previously submitted their bank account details for benefit installments. Payment directly deposited into their designated accounts. In situations where the SSA is unable to provide direct deposit information, it has chosen to issue prepaid debit cards loaded with the pay amount. In other cases, the SSA will mail traditional paper checks to a small number of recipients who do not have direct deposit. We cannot overstate the significance of this $5,500 direct payment, particularly for seniors and those on fixed incomes. It acts as a vital lifeline, reducing financial stress by covering necessities like housing, utilities, food, and medical costs. In addition, it presents giving recipients the chance to pay off existing debts, such as credit card balances, medical bills, past due rent or mortgage payments, will help them improve their financial situation and possibly even raise their credit scores, opening the door to more stable finances. Beyond short-term cash assistance, the $5,500 payment gives recipients the opportunity to improve their financial readiness for the future. For those without significant savings, this payment can act as the starting point for an emergency fund, which acts as a buffer against unforeseen costs or emergencies in the future. Recipients may also think about allocating some of the payment for enhancements to one's quality of life, such as making home renovations more accessible or paying for transportation services that were previously out of reach. Nevertheless, despite the joy of obtaining this financial help, one must be cautious about potential dangers and frauds. Scammers may try to take advantage of people who are weak by. It's important to keep in mind that the SSA will never request personal information or bank account details over the phone or through unsolicited emails when distributing large sums of money like the $5,500 direct payment. If you receive any suspicious communications claiming to be from the SSA regarding the direct payment, you should be wary of it. Those who think they qualify for the $5,500 direct payment but have not yet received it can confirm their authenticity by getting in touch with the Social Security Administration directly through their official website or local office. To guarantee a prompt receipt, follow these steps. First, check the qualifying requirements to verify your eligibility through the secure portals of the Social Security Administration or by calling their toll-free number. Update your records as soon as possible if your mailing address or banking information has changed. If you have updated your information and verified your eligibility but have not received the payment, get help by contacting the Social Security Administration directly. Despite the amount of payments processing that results in delays, the SSA is dedicated to promptly resolving any issue. Looking ahead, grantees should maintain awareness of any upcoming financial aid campaigns or programs. Updating financial and personal details, will guarantee preparedness for any future initiatives that might call for paperwork or qualification verification. Think about using some of the $5,500 payment toward creating or bolstering an emergency fund, a vital measure in protecting against unforeseen financial difficulties. The $5,500 direct payment from the Social Security Administration, SSA, offers a substantial opportunity in addition to instant financial assistance. For beneficiaries to review their long-term financial strategy, this infusion of cash, particularly for seniors and those on limited incomes, can act as a spur for making improvements and getting ready for the future. One option available to the beneficiaries is to allocate a portion of the $5,500 payout towards consult a financial advisor. Working with a professional financial advisor might seem like an unnecessary investment at first, but there are significant long-term benefits. These experts can assist in creating a thorough financial plan that is customized to the recipient's particular situation and takes into consideration long-term objectives, expenses, and income sources. Financial advisors can help recipients find areas to cut costs, improve budgeting techniques, and investigate investment opportunities that fit their risk tolerance and time horizons. Even small changes to spending patterns or investment strategies have the potential to compound over time and result in sizable financial gains. Long-term financial stability can be greatly improved, for instance, by making a strategic investment in diversified portfolios, or by making a small monthly reduction in spending. For individuals who are already retired or are approaching retirement, the $5,500 direct payment provides an opportunity to review their retirement plans and make sure their financial advisors can assist in analyzing retirement accounts, Social Security payments, and other income streams to help keep people on track to maintain their desired level of living. They can also offer counsel on strategies to optimize retirement savings and reduce potential tax implications. Additionally, you can carefully employ the direct payment to settle any outstanding debt. Financial commitments or debts, such as personal loans or high-interest credit card balances. Paying down these obligations can increase monthly income, lower borrowing costs overall, and free up precious space. It's crucial to take into account the possible effects of the $5,500 direct payment in order to maintain financial flexibility and peace of mind. On legacy objectives and estate planning. The $5,500 direct payment provides immediate relief, and this payment allows those who want to support loved ones financially to review and revise wills, trusts, or other estate planning papers to ensure the distribution of assets in accordance with their desires. It is essential to handle this financial windfall long-term by getting expert advice, creating a thorough financial plan, and putting tactics in place to maximize spending savings, and the one-time reward from investments can be used by recipients to build a more stable financial future for themselves and their family. It's crucial to remember that not everyone has the resources or the desire to consult a financial advisor, and that's totally acceptable for those who would rather handle their finances on their own. A wealth of information and tools are available to assist those who choose to manage their finances independently in making decisions and reaching their financial objectives. Finally, keep in mind that this $5,500 payment is a lifeline rather than merely a money boost. Carefully use it to cover the essentials, settle debts, and even establish an emergency fund, but be on the lookout for con artists. Personal information will never be requested by the SSA by phone or email them immediately through their official channels if you have any questions. Don't stop there. Stay updated about their next support initiatives and take into consideration by working with a financial advisor to enhance your long-term financial strategy. We can transform the assistance into long-term security for you and your loved ones. Thank you for watching, and to ensure that you never miss an update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Spread the word about this video to anyone you think could benefit from it. Stay safe, educate yourself, and take charge of your financial destiny now. See you in the next video.